Hi guys, Michael Prather with Totelcom Communications here. I want to talk to you about what you need to do if your fiber service stops working. But first, I need to introduce you to your equipment and make sure you're familiar with it. This is your ONT. Notice it has a green port where your fiber plugs into. It has a power port. It has a voice port, and it has a LAN port. Your LAN port is where your Ethernet cable is going to plug into. That's going to go to your router to feed your home internet devices. Now let's move on to your router. You may have a TP-Link AC1900, or you may have a Zyxel 2926, or you may have your own that you purchased yourself. Either way, it's going to be similar. Now let's look at the back of the TP-Link. Here we have our power cord, our power switch that whenever it's on should be pushed in the in position, and a blue port labeled Internet. That's where we plug in our modem, fiber to home unit, or our fixed wireless unit. And then we have LAN ports that we can plug in our hardwired devices. Now let's take a look at the Zyxel 2926. On the back, you'll notice we have a power switch that when the unit is on, the bottom portion is pushed in. We have our power cord and our power plug. Then we have our LAN ports, which is where we plug in our hardwired home devices. And then we have our WAN port. That's where we plug in our fiber to home unit, our fixed wireless unit, or our DSL modem. That provides internet to your home devices. Now let's talk about what to do if your fiber to home service stops working correctly. First, we need to go to your ONT and look at the lights. Your power light, your fiber light, and your LAN light should all be on and green. If they're not, we need to be called at 254-893-1000 so we can dispatch a tech to come fix your issue. If all these lights are green, now we need to move on to your router. First, make sure your Ethernet cable is plugged into the blue internet port. And if it is, take your power cord and unplug it. Wait about 30 seconds and plug it back in. Make sure your power switch is in the in position or the on position. If that doesn't fix your problem, please call us at 254-893-1000, where our help desk is standing by 24/7 to get your internet back up and running.